All right. It is actually it's good evening. It just turned 6 o'clock right now. That's kind of crazy. And yeah, uh, I'm excited today. I've been working on my new desk. Actually, I'm still at my old desk. What's happening is actually I don't know if I can see it. Show it. I'll show it in a minute because I have to do tuning. I haven't done a tuning today. A lot of craziness already. Today was a fun Friday. I just been in kind of figuring out stuff mode. Ah, yeah, here we go. Nice. It's almost like taking a hit of oxygen, but you're tuning yourself. It's kind of crazy. We used to do that in the Air Force because I used to work on, when I used to work on the airplanes, we used to have to test the oxygen systems. So, like, we'd always do that. Like, if we'd go out that night and get hungover, we'd take oxygen shots. It's pretty cool. But it clears your head, man. It's pretty rad. But anyways, yeah, today's April 23rd, Vlog 79, actually. Wow, I'm excited. I don't even know if I said that before. Okay, April 23rd, Vlog 7, yeah. And I'm going to be on 80, and yeah, this week's been kind of crazy. Yesterday, let's look at what we did. Actually, let's look at the weather today, because it's been kind of cool. It has been kind of cool, and actually, let's check it out. UHD capture. Let's get a camera in here. Let's do go square. And haha, there we go. I didn't have it on this one, but yep, there it is. It's Long Beach, 61 right now. We had a high of 64, but it's cooling down pretty quickly, so last night was pretty cool. But I just want to quickly recap because I want to finish up on this desk, and then I want to make a video because actually I'm setting up everything right here. I'll show you guys. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, I'm doing crazy shenanigans. So basically, let's see, boom. So I already has kind of set up. Carrie's back there, but I'm setting up everything before I put it in the spot just to make sure everything works. But wow, if you get oh my god, if you haven't had a standing desk, I can already tell. If you work at home a lot, this is gonna be amazing. And yeah, I'm about to cry because I'm so excited.
Baby boy.
It's like a dream. It's like a dream come true. It's so amazing. So yeah. So yesterday, I woke up at 8, got ready because I thought I had the wrong with the car. And actually, I'll let you know there was just something loose and it was hitting the thing, so we didn't have to fix the car. So it was cool. Came home, did my vlog, then I worked on song sheets all day. I had some time, so I wanted to do that because I want to finish these things this week. So I don't have to worry about the song sheets anymore because there's a lot of other stuff happening. And then followed up with some DIY customers. It was a cold day, and it was like really yeah, we didn't want to do anything, but we just stayed in and worked. So it was kind of cool to stay in and work. And then I got a bunch of stuff yesterday, and I'm just preparing everything. Yeah, I got like my hub yesterday, and then today I got the SSD. Oh my gosh! I'll show you guys everything. I just can't believe how far technology has come, and yeah, it's pretty cool. And it's actually a lot cheaper than before too. Pretty amazing. For all the stuff that I got would have been the price of the laptop that I wanted previously. It's pretty crazy. Just the laptop, and I got the desk. I got it's unbelievable. Monitor, a MacBook One Pro. Guys, it's Mac M1, a Mac M1 Mini. It's pretty rad. But I've been messing with it right now, and it's nice. I can already tell I'm working on this computer right now, and I'm like, oh gosh, I can already tell the other one's quicker. But let's see. I think that's all I got. Let's check out some birthdays. Birthdays today for Friday. Boom, boom, boom. Birthdays. Is this today? 21 days. Birthdays. Yeah, there's no birthdays showing up on my thing today. Oh well, I don't have any birthdays today. But anyways, if it's your birthday, happy birthday. It's awesome. But this is gonna be a really quick one. I just want to get this going, and I'm about to tear all this computer stuff apart right now. So I'm just gonna do it. So I'm excited. Next time you see me, we'll be probably on my new computer. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. But anyways, with the alarm going off, we will say, like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele.